And then let's continue to another car related product. Look, here is the attachment of the gel brush. It is called the sanding pad. It is used with to scratch the sponge or the saucing pad. So this brush, it can be scratched the sponge pad, and then it can connect with the gel machine and to switch the bottom to start polish. Yes, this is very suitable for combine a new sets of the gel brush attachments. And for details of the sponge, just now we talk about the first is heavy or large diameter. This one is orange, suited for doing some heavy polish work. But for the black and the blue and the yellow and the red, this four color is suited for doing some soft jobs, such as clean the car surface, for clean some soft area for polish, suited for using this kind of sponge. And I see you maybe notice the sponge has different surface, right? It has the flat surface and also has a wave surface, the flat and the waved. The flat is suited for cleaning some large area of flat surface, such as cleaning the car back. But for the wave brush, it's suited for cleaning some waved place, such as the car doors. You can use it to clean the A wall of the cars.